Hello everybody, it's Wayne here from E-Stim Systems, and today I'm going to tell you what comes in one of our packs. We've been asked this a few times, despite the fact we give a list of bits and pieces on our website. People want to know what actually comes in the pack and how is it packaged. So simple answer is I'm going to do a little video. We start off here with the E-Stim Remote. This is the new E-Stim Remote, not the classic. Built-in audio, built-in motion sensor, lots of goodies. All of our packages come with a security seal on the outside, so you know nobody else has been inside here. And it's also a hygiene seal for various reasons. Easy to get open. Stick your finger in. So we start off with our carry case with a paper wraparound. The idea of the carry case is to actually give you something to keep your remote in. It's not just a throwaway item. It's one of the reasons we don't do cardboard boxes for things like this, because we think that people generally want something to store their toys in. So one case. Now I'm going to take the sleeve off. One sleeve. And now we have the carry case. So we have our hard plastic case. So if we open it up, inside we have some nice foam to protect everything inside, and on the top we have a dimpled foam. Now behind here, and there's a little finger grip, is we have an extra pouch which will have paperwork, sticky pads possibly, and possibly cables. So don't lose that and don't throw it out. Inside we have E-Stim Remote, we have a battery, we have our standard 2mm cable, and of course we have the key fob. Now the remote itself is sealed in plastic. The idea of this is to give you a security seal, so again you know that it hasn't been tampered with, and all you need to do is just peel that off. You have a PP3 battery for the remote. All of our power boxes come with a battery, so you can start to play as soon as you get the unit. And of course we have our key fob, again in a security sealed bag, and the key fobs themselves actually have the battery inside already fitted, so you don't need to fit a battery to that. So we have our 2mm cable, we have our remote, battery for the remote, key fob, we have our lifetime guarantee card. The idea of this is it gives you the link to register for our lifetime guarantee. As long as you keep your original proof of purchase, you have a lifetime guarantee. We have a set of 4 standard sticky pads. These stick to virtually everything, including the cat, so try and avoid sticking them to the cat. But again, it gives you a set of electrodes to start playing with almost immediately. And then we have a quick guide. On one side we have the quick guide to the power unit, the other side we have a quick guide to the key fob. If you also visit the website, you can find the more detailed manual as to how to use your E-Stim Systems remote. So that's what's in an E-Stim Remote kit. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. But whatever you do, be safe, have fun.